This is Diane Heisick. I'll be demonstrating how to create a multiple consolidation pivot table found on page 158 in the textbook. It's a picture of my horse Addie. I'm going to use the data provided by the textbook. It contains 3 different tables. And I'm going to press Control D and P, which will bring up the older version of Pivot Table and Pivot Chart Wizard from the previous versions of Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and select the multiple consolidation ranges since I have multiple charts. And I'm going to leave it at Pivot Table since that's what I want to create. I'm going to head and press Next. And I'm going to select I'm going to create the page fields, which makes it a little easier. I get to select what I want instead of letting it pick for me. So I'm going to hit Next. And now I'm going to select the ranges that I want of each of the data. So I'm going to press the kind of like the minimize button, whatever you'd like to call this little guy with the red arrow. I'm going to select my first data set, expand the window, press Add. And I'm going to repeat it for the next 2 ranges also. So here's my second one, add that, and here's my third and last one, and add that. Okay, and since I want to put in that the regions, the north, south, and west regions, I'm going to select that I want 1 page field. So I'm going to start with the top one. That one's going to be called North. Just enter the name that I want in this field 1 drop-down area. And the second one's going to be called South. And last one will be West. I'm going to go ahead and press Next. And then I want to add it to a new worksheet. And then I'll press Finish. And now I have my new pivot table that's been combined from all 3 of the charts. So this one's going to need a little bit of updating. So first I'm going to change page 1 here so it says region instead of page 1. And I'd really like to get rid of these labels up here. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of field headers. It just drives me nuts. And then over here, because it says 3, it's doing a count. Over here you can see count a value instead of sum. So I'm going to go ahead and change this so you can see the revenue. So I'm going to change this to sum, and I'm also going to change the number format to currency. Just want $0. So I'm going to press OK. OK, and now it's showing me the total revenue for each of those options. And over here it says the line of business manager. That's supposed to be a text field, but because of how it merges in, it counts it as a number. So I'm just going to head and hide this so that way I don't have to look at it and get everything confused. So now it's looking a lot better now. So I'm going to head and I'm going to add in region as one of the rows. Let me try it one more time. And I want to switch it so that way it's broken up by region first and then by the parts, the options, sales options. So now you can see that I now have, out of 3 tables, I've now been able to combine it into just 1 pivot table, broken out by month, with a grand total for each region, and each region's been broken out by each revenue option, copier sale, parts, printer sale, or the service plan. And so that is my demonstration on how to do that. And this is my resources that I've used to create this Jing, the textbook that I've used, and where I've received my file samples. Thank you.